Class, this will be instruction for Wednesday, May 13th, the calendar journal day. So I gave you some of the date already when I said it was Wednesday, May 13th. Okay, so you'll fill out, you'll circle day of the week up here. You can write it. I know some of us were getting pretty good at doing that when we were still face-to-face. So here you got the month, today, tomorrow, yesterday. All right, today is the 13th of May, so we'll put 13 tallies. Okay, we will do that today. That way we are seeing those groups of 5. Remember, when you get to 5, we talked about that, putting the slash across the gate and making it a group of 5. All right, I'm just helping you out with a few of the pieces of today's journal. So with the number sentence, I already put the 13 out here, okay, after the equal sign. We will not do the true and false part today. That would be something we skip because there's a couple of challenging things here towards the bottom. All right. Number one being today is day number 139. And so I'm going to have you, with an adult, do the 1 more, 1 less, 10 more, 10 less puzzle. Okay, adding today's date and yesterday's date together. Okay, we're going to fill out this. If we have 139, how many hundreds, how many tens, how many ones, and then writing a number sentence for the number 139. Okay, so kind of challenging because we're getting into that those 3-digit numbers. Okay. So good luck, and I'll be available if you need anything, but don't be afraid also to ask an adult or older sibling at home to help out. These numbers are getting a little bigger, but you're getting a little smarter, so good luck.